I love woodpeckers. They're beautiful. Strong birds. And what's crazy, this is my backyard. That's what's nuts. There's all kinds of them. I just like following these two right here. They always eat together, fly together. Oh, here she is. He'll come back or she'll stay there. One or the other. See him off in the distance. Cardinal. That's not a woodpecker, that's a cardinal. There's some pretty birds out here though.
Okay. Let's try it again. Okay,
Oh! Oh! That was awesome. I'm glad I caught that one on camera. That was cool.